I would now request Professor Dawa to present his paper, Rock Art at Ladakh.
So I'll just try to be very brief. And it's definitely a heritage material, and we must understand that Ladakh was, it is a part of the Trans-Himalaya, but it was never blocked. Indeed, it was a corridor of human traffic since last 5 to 10,000 years ago. आजकल हम 2 दिन रोड बंद हो जाएगा तो हमें बड़ा चिल्लाते हैं, लेकिन there was a huge traffic going on. And many of the rock art, I feel, although there's some Central Asian elements we find in rock art of Ladakh, but there seems to be many rock art which are of indigenous origin. And then the art and the aesthetic value of rock art is always there. In fact, it is considered to be a lingua franca of communication. In those days, there was no form of communication, and rock art was one of the best form of communication. Today, after thousands of years, we started calling rock art of Ladakh. But we must understand, 2 to 5,000 years ago, I don't think there was any Ladakh or China or India, Tibet. It was in the landscape. So when the rock art was made so many thousand years ago, there was no borders, there was no nation. So we must sometimes consider rock art in a landscape, right from Gilgit-Baltistan to Ladakh to Tibet to Central Asia, Kazakhstan and all those. We have got lots and lots of rock art in Ladakh. And one of the reasons would be that the Ladakh is situated at a very nice sweet spot in the, throughout the Asia. So there were a lot of routes crisscrossing Ladakh. So therefore, Ladakh has so many rock art sites. Ngati inang ko pura gyalrap se devna mathop kane chala mangpo ngati rock art sites na thok. Te phya yu gyalrap se ma khachan part jing didu. Te phya khas tuye ngata na local gune jin ki I rock art to ngata demonstrate borches yongches chan gune generations gune phya mas te khachan didu. मैंने तुझे चीज़ भी यूटी लद्दाख में किंगल करीब लो सुनचिक सों रोगाटे नंकुआ लास्ट ट्रेन ना शायद दिरिंग चुपा रोगाटे नंकुआ यूटी चोफ ने प्रोग्राम समय चेन्नो ता दिरिंग सोते सोते. So everybody is recognizing, and I'm thankful to यूटी लद्दाख. संगम एरिया पे देखा जाता था, now this is no more there. Chilling, of course, road is very important. Sanskar pa I road pe miche sustin rock art macha road ko bor mian lekin khachik tinam bor nyan ches du mayan tena sola I won shakiyot you know warua chili lamika almost 2006 mein we had IGNC ke sath presentation mein we had documented it. Today it is almost gone. Alchi, you can see the wall over there. Some certains is espera chichideba alchi. Mani as chipena rock art pinkan bo nati azukstan. Nae rock art da cham shi khachancha. Ke bustan te to ana ne sut pintena. So masa ma circus me do. Tionchi chorten. And then sabu izukshi yorpin Tada sakari kari ma ariana tsuchi tom. You markave nina ino. Ika shamete ka nakshe grupin na top matok na la daksa kari kari charji yo tamata nezame nani daksa dam pito nakshe le biyam roka chap dukser. Khalse to samati choten guna tamata zanamati steri. To sam steri beer bottle juma khorala. Ziksan. There's a huge scope. We still have hundreds and hundreds of sites with thousands of figures, and I'm sure we can cross 50,000 figures, which means कि लद्दाख का रॉक आर्ट जो है शायद मुझे लगता है पूरा सेंट्रल एशिया में सबसे बेस्ट साइट हो सकता है. So this pattern we can clearly do. All we need is a little support from the UT government. And for example, यहाँ पर बहुत सारे फर्स्ट लाइन में we can see some hunters. We can distinguish what types of hunters they are. So likewise we need to create, क्योंकि कल हम अगर इसको टूरिज्म सेक्टर में लाएं which has huge potential, definitely we need to have some narratives. We can't say कि ये पत्थर है, ये रॉक आर्ट है. नम्मा छक्का मैंने जप दम राम चिचिक चाबू बिंदो जप घंटा पर घंटा इनको नता डॉगन नता राचा नता फिलो का वश में रो नता रास्ते में कन चला फिलो को मन वश में रो नता ना काफी माने इन्ना जो दुलना नौचे चने लोश ना चुना गति चम में कन चुना so ये समा जुआई
And I want to Dr. Nandini Bhattacharya Sahu.